Anthony is gonna open some early presents.
Yeah, and you want to see my Sutton's video, and Mousy one, and Sutton's one where I open them?
Yep, those are also on our page, but this is a video about opening these particular presents.
Yeah, first I didn't do this one.
Open them up. Flip it over.
It's so big.
I think those are Daddy's shoes.
Wow.
Yeah. Those are Daddy's.
Open that one.
No, those are probably your size.
Oh, those might be your shoes.
Nope, stupid.
Whose size is that?
Your size.
That's Mommy's size. Uh-oh. Open that one. That looks like your size. We all have the same shoes. I wonder where we're going to wear them at.
Mommy's shoes, Daddy's shoes.
Where are we all going to wear them?
What is this one?
Anthony, where are we going to wear them?
I don't know.
At Disneyland. We're all going to wear the same shoes.
One more.
Doggy shoes. Wow, that's so cool.
What size are these size?
Your shoe size.
Yay.
These ones are your size too.
Yep.
Yay.
See, there's same.
Oh, yeah. Awesome. Do you like your new shoes?
Wait a minute. They're not the same.
They both fit you.
No, they're not the same.
They're both the same size.
No, they're not.
You want to try on all of our shoes together? Here,
What do you say?
Thank you.
And what do you say to...
Thank you, Mommy.
I know. But what about to the...
And thank you for you, guys.
Okay, say bye.
Bye-bye. Nighty.
That's not appropriate.